Welcome to another video, another update. As you can see from this beautiful floor decoration, we have just received something in the post. We have just got 2 giant salt lamps for the meditation space. This one is working fine. The other one, unfortunately, has arrived with a big crack in it and a chunk come off it. So we're seeing if we can send it back and get a replacement. We've set up our sound bath equipment. There we go. We'll be doing our first in-person sound baths here in a couple of weeks' time. And another announcement. Thomas, do you want to tell everybody what else arrived today?
What has arrived?
Come and show them.
Oh!
Oh, yes.
The first piece of workable art.
Workable art.
This is a very rare piece of cupboard, which is full wood. It's held together with these little things. It's not even attached with any screws or things like that. And I'm gonna sand it off. I will wax it, and I'm not quite sure what to do with it, but we will see.
It's antique pine, isn't it?
Yeah.
You can see from the beautiful drawers. And we saw it assembled in the shop, so we know that
this is really quite rare.
Tongue and groove, yeah, it's quite rare.
See the way of how it's been put together.
it's really quite rare to find a wardrobe made of wood, proper wood these days, isn't it? They don't make them like they used to. So this is what we found, lucky find in a second-hand furniture shop.
Indeed.
So that's our little update for today. And we will post some more soon. Right, I better get the vacuum cleaner out, clean up the new decoration.
The mess.
The mess.